In this video we're going to take a look at the calibration and applications of DSC. So in terms of calibration, there are several different types of calibration that we need to do. So there's the baseline calibration, and this is performed where the instrument contains no sample pan or reference pan, and it allows us to compensate for any inherent offset in the instrument. Then we have heat flow calibration, and we have a known quantity of a material being analysed that has a very well known heat of fusion. Typically indium would be used for this. We also need to do a temperature calibration where we have several standards being analysed with well known melting points so that we can calibrate the temperature scale. And then finally, heat capacity. If we want to measure heat capacity changes in our material, we need to calibrate, typically using sapphire, and that is very well characterised, and the values of heat capacity for sapphire are very well known in the literature, and so if we scan with that, we can then calibrate for heat capacity measurements with our DSC. Applications: we can look at things like glass transition to measure the change in heat capacity. Crystallinity: we can look at the enthalpy of recrystallization related to crystallinity of polymers and other materials. Reaction kinetics: we can look at the rate of heat release used to determine the extent of a reaction over time. And then we can also quantify polymer mixtures, and there'll be a follow-up video that looks at polymer mixtures and how to quantify them in a bit more detail. Okay, so that's been a video about calibration and applications of DSC. I hope you found that useful. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and thanks very much for watching.